In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Airtable. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, being able to print information directly from Airtable can be a handy skill to have. Let's dive into the process so you can get those hard copies ready with ease. To begin with, you'll want to open the table in Airtable that holds the information you wish to print. Accessing your data is the first step, and it's as easy as logging into your Airtable account. Once there, find the specific table you're interested in within your workspace. You might be looking at a project timeline, inventory list, or any collection of data you need printed. Next, you'll need to choose a view for your table. Airtable offers several types of views, such as grid, calendar, and others, to help you organize and present your data in various formats. Selecting the right view is crucial as it determines how your data will be displayed on paper. The grid view is perfect if you're looking for a spreadsheet-like format, while the calendar view can be great for printing date-specific information. Examine your options and pick the one that best matches how you want your information showcased in print. Before hitting print, take a moment to ensure that your view displays only the data you need. Here, the use of filters can be invaluable. Filters allow you to narrow down your table to show only the relevant entries, making sure that your printed document isn't cluttered with unnecessary details. For example, if you're printing a list of tasks, you might want to filter by project or priority to display only the most pertinent information. Ensure your view is as clear and concise as possible to make your printed version useful and informative. Now it's time for the actual printing process. If you're using a Windows system, you can press Ctrl+P to bring up the print menu. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to initiate the printing process without having to move your mouse around and find the print option in the menu. Once the print dialog box appears, you can choose your printer from the list of available devices. Alternatively, if you aren't near a printer or prefer a digital copy, you can opt to save as PDF. This option allows you to save a snapshot of your view on your computer, which is particularly useful for digital archiving or sharing with others. It's important to remember that when you print from Airtable, what you get on paper is exactly what you see on your screen at the time of printing. By following these steps, you'll have a smooth and efficient printing experience from Airtable, producing precisely the documents you need. Happy printing!